Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dilnaz Pathan, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to share something very personal to me. I might get emotional too, and the reason that I'm going to share that story is I know there are so many people out there who needs to hear this because you guys are not alone. I'm in this journey too. I have literally gathered so much strength, and took help from the people to make this video because it's not easy for me to talk about the story that I'm going to share here. For the people who don't know me, I live in Canada happily and I came here as a student. Before coming here, I used to live in hostel. So I always thought that living alone will be not issue for me. But after coming here, it hit me so hard. I used to cry. I used to talk to my friends and my family for 24 hours on video calls because it was so hard for me. I was literally a crybaby by that time. Back home, I was always known as a nice academic girl who did everything right. I thought that I am very strong and I am very ready for it, the step that I am going to take. But nothing prepares you for the silence far from being home. Lots of things were going on at the same time, and I felt lost in the full room of people. My motivation, my grades, everything started dropping suddenly, and I felt so lost. और इधर आने के बाद one of the most reason that used to bother me was my parents weren't doing well medically. Somehow I finished my studies, okay, but in 2024 my work permit was expiring, and right after it I lost my mom. Losing a parent is the worst thing that can happen to anyone, especially when you are young. It's traumatic. I know the pain. Losing my mother has broke me so hard that I don't think so I'm going to be recovered because it still hurts the same the day I lost her. And कहते हैं ना कि grief शुरू तब होता है when everybody is leaving your home. Everybody thinks that you are okay now. But I wasn't okay. I was not okay at all. I didn't see my mother since like 4 years. And then I got to know that I don't have my mom. My mom wasn't doing well and I knew that, but I didn't know that कि ये इतना serious है because nobody told me. Everybody was hiding from me that what she is going through. Okay, she was in the ICU and my brother called me to have a video call with her, and Ami was like complaining like doctor ने ये नहीं किया, the nurse is like that, ये नहीं करा, just typical things. So मुझे लगा कि she is fine now because that's how she is normally. फिर अम्मी को घर ले गए एंड उस वक्त रात थी उधर. आई वॉज टॉकिंग विथ हर एंड मैंने अम्मी को बोला अम्मी चीकू का जूस पीने के लिए, ओके, बिकॉज डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि नथिंग वॉज डाइजेस्टिंग इन हर स्टमक, सो इट वॉज रिकमेंडेड टू हैव ओनली लिक्विड. My brother and I were fighting on some stupid things. My mom was like, अपने भाई से ऐसे लड़ना नहीं है, ब्ला ब्ला दिस थिंग. का अम्मी ओके. सो बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज दैट वॉज द डे मैंने बहुत काफ़ी टाइम बाद अम्मी से अच्छे से बात की थी बिकॉज शी वॉज नॉट डूइंग वेल. बात हो गई एंड देन आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स, इधर दिन था, ओके, कुछ मेरे दोस्त जो हैं इधर, पूजा का मैसेज आ रहा है कि हाउ आर यू. समवन एल्स मैसेज्ड मी कि आई एम कमिंग टू मीट यू एंड समवेयर आई वॉजंट फीलिंग वेल, लाइक घबराहट, एंग्जाइटी काइंड ऑफ थिंग. मुझे बड़ा अजीब लग रहा था कि वाई एवरीबडी इज टेक्सटिंग मी टू आस्क मी हाउ आई एम डूइंग. एंड थोड़े टाइम बाद in the evening I was cooking in the kitchen and I was talking with my friend that I talked with my mom, she's doing good now and I'm feeling good about it. Okay, and then all of sudden मेरे पापा के एक दोस्त की लड़की who also lives here आती है मेरे घर में and my dad called me and he asked me that कि वो आ गई. I said yeah, and he told me कि अम्मी का इंतकाल हो गया है. ये सुनने के बाद आई डिडंट नो लाइक हाउ टू फील, व्हाट टू फील. मैंने बस अपना फ़ोन फेंक दिया. आई वॉजंट कॉन्शियस एट ऑल. And I ran to my room and I was like doing some mad things. I was so glad I had people around me who loves me a lot. It has broken me in a way that I'm not going to recover. I'm not going to recover from this thing. And I know, and you know, ये जो पेन होता है ना, आफ्टर सम टाइम आपका कंपेनियन बन जाता है फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. बिकॉज it's been more than a year and it feels like I haven't seen my mom in like decade. I used to cry so loud कि पूरे घर में जितने भी लोग होते थे मेरे रूम में आ जाया करते थे. I felt deeply emptiness. Losing my mom was losing my entire identity too, because I didn't know what to do now. And I look like my mom. So every time I look into the mirror, I feel like that's my mom. That's how my mom used to look like. And मेरे पापा भी जब भी मुझसे बात करते थे वीडियो कॉल्स पे कि अपने अम्मी के जैसे लगती है, तो वो चीज़ और इमोशनल कर देती थी. एंड आई यूज टू क्राई फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स. मेरा इतना सारा वज़न कम हो गया. आई वॉजंट डूइंग वेल. मेरा डाइट, खाने पीने का कुछ भी सब कुछ लाइक एवरीथिंग वॉज मेस्ड अप. आई डिडंट हैव एनी डायरेक्शन. आई वॉजंट वर्किंग. फाइनेंशियली मैं स्ट्रगल कर रही थी. बहुत सी चीज़ें एकदम इतना साथ में हो गई इन 2024 कि कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. एम आई गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, लाइक कि मैं ज़िंदा भी रहने वाली हूँ कि नहीं. अब दिल में इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, इतना रिग्रेट था कि आई कुडंट सी माई मॉम फॉर द लास्ट टाइम. बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम तो तभी देखा था, तभी हग किया था, तभी टच किया था व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग हियर इन कनाडा, व्हेन आई वाज लिविंग माय होम. तो बहुत ही रिग्रेट रहता है एंड अभी भी है ये रिग्रेट. बट इट्स ओके नाउ, व्हाट टू डू. आई डिडंट फील स्ट्रॉन्ग एनी मोर. माई फाउंडेशन वॉज सो ब्रोकन कि आई यूज टू क्राई एट वेरी लिटिल इनकन्वीनियंस. किसी ने बोल दिया कि तूने गार्बेज नहीं किया, आई एम लाइक आई एम क्राइंग फॉर द स्टूपिड थिंग्स. आई यूज टू क्राई कि अंदर से एकदम आई वॉज एंटायरली ब्रोकन, लाइक okay, I'm done, I'm not going to survive. That was I used to feel. I couldn't show up for work, I couldn't show up for myself too. For more than a year, it just everything continued the same. I lost my mom, but my father lost his partner. तो अब एक टाइम के बाद आई स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू माई डैड अबाउट दिस थिंग्स. पापा से बात करना बिकॉज इस बारे में मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. वी बोथ आर क्राइंग नाउ बिकॉज मेरी तो अम्मी गए. ओके चलो, आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड अ पार्टनर इन माई लाइफ, बट ही हैज़ लॉस्ट लाइक एवरीथिंग, अ कंपेनियन. तो मैं उनसे अपने बारे में बात करना मैंने बंद कर दिया कि मैं क्या फील करती हूँ, वाई आई क्राई, मैं इधर किन चीज़ों से सफ़र कर रही हूँ. आई स्टॉप डूइंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स टू माई पेरेंट. But when my mom was there, I used to tell them every little thing that I am doing here. Every little thing, what I'm cooking, where I'm going, what I'm wearing, everything. The only support emotionally, financially, and from every side I had was from my boyfriend. And I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful for it, because I became so toxic after losing my mom. I used to cry. I used to blame everything on someone else. I used to not eat. I was just so toxic, bro. I was so toxic. I cannot tell you. I don't think so. If is there anyone else who could handle me very well as the way he was able to do it. शुरू में तो ऐसा होता था कि if someone is talking to their mom, I used to feel like यार काश मेरी भी मम्मी होती, मैं भी ऐसे बातें करती. ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके पास क्यों है उनकी माँ, बट आई फेल्ट so emptiness from inside that I was not able to explain to anyone. Still I'm not. But anyway, somehow in that silence, I found something. I started writing. I started thinking about what I am going to do next. Because ऐसे ज़िंदगी भर नहीं चलेगा. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter. Life will go on. ऑफ कोर्स ये कुछ एक दिन में नहीं हो गया क्विकली कि हाँ चलो एक दिन मैंने ठान लिया एंड माई लाइफ गोइंग टू गेट चेंज. It is not like that. Of course, I started reflecting. I started talking to the people who love me and thinking about ahead. I started asking myself that if I'm still here, there should be some reason, right? I have to do something. That's how I used to think. And I started working. Definitely, this process has taken so much time from me. I haven't still figured it out everything. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm still figuring out what to do, what's next. For everyone who has lost someone or something, I want to tell you guys that it's not over. It's not over. Your story is not done yet. Last but not the least, thank you everyone for being here and watching this video, because I never thought that I would be able to share this story with you. And the reason was, I know someone needs to hear this, and that's okay. I am here, and you can uproot your life too. I'll see you in the next video for sure. Until then, bye bye.